How to turn off all emails, notifications, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off. First open your browser and then click on your profile here in top corner, and then click this one here, notifications. And as you see here, you will find notifications, and now just if you want to turn it off all of those here, just click unsubscribe all, and that's it. Now just click close, and now just go back. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.